Hi, welcome back to Create to Mizat. Today we are going to see how to make butter from fresh cream. Let's get started. Please check out the video 10 milk recipes. A link will be in the description. In that I have shown how I collect fresh milk every day. This is fresh cream collected from the past 30 days. This is 1 kg Horlicks bottle. Let's see how to make butter from this. Most important step is to select the correct vessel. Select a vessel which has more depth so that you can avoid spillage. Add 1 liter of cold water into this, shake it very well and keep it in the fridge. I have cleaned my hands very well. Add the ice cubes and gently start the whipping process as shown here. First stage, once you start beating, it will turn creamy but liquid consistency. Next stage, it will become frothy but still liquid consistency. Next stage, still frothy but creamier consistency. After beating for a few minutes, it has turned thick. Now add the chilled water that we have kept it in the fridge. Shake it well before adding. In this stage, you can see butter curdles start forming. It will be still frothy, but the bubbles will pop. have reached the final stages. You can see the butter curdling up. Still keep going. Beat it for 5-10 minutes till the water and butter completely separate. Separate the butter into a clean water. In this video, I have shown how to turn your butter into ghee. Check that out later.